Let us look at how to precisely manage and visualize mesh scale settings, starting from your material profiles all the way to your build tray. First, open your build profile library and select the desired build processor. Then, in the Material Profiles section for your chosen printer, you can easily adjust the mesh scale factors as required for your specific material. Next, switch to the Additive Manufacturing Navigator. In the Build Tray panel, simply right-click any column heading and choose Mesh Scale. The mesh scale values for your selected material will now be clearly displayed in the corresponding columns at the build tray level. For a quick visual check, open the Mesh Scale dialog at the build tray level. This allows you to preview the scaled output mesh directly within the NX Graphics window, ensuring everything looks just right. This comprehensive control ensures your parts are always prepared with optimal mesh scale.